Oh yeah, now more go inside, go knock now.
Thief! I take your money. Why will you come here, thief? Are you mad?
Like if I handle you, if I handle you,
like now you will not die when I'm on top of you. It's not me.
Hi, what's up guys? It's Bellington here, aka Bells. So today we'll be pranking hookup girls. You know, I have two girls coming on and I've paid them already, so they are coming to do the do. But let's see if they will agree to do the do with Genege. So watch, like, and share this video. Please share this video. Thank you. Hello. Come here.
Hello.
Yes. Queen now. Are you not queen?
Yes.
Let's go inside.
I beg. I came to.
Come now. Are you not queen? Yes, I'm Bells. Now me and you chat now. Are you not the hookup girl?
Yes.
Yes, now.
Wait.
Now me and you chat for WhatsApp now. Now me and you chat for WhatsApp. Let's go inside.
Wait, make I check the person who I can see first. I beg.
You sure?
Which can't be this one?
I'm Bells now. Let me pay you 25,000.
Now you.
For a short time. Oh yeah, now more go inside. Go knock now.
Go inside where? I better not disturb me, Joe.
You sure say make I not disturb you?
Since I start this my work, I never do this kind of work. Not me you die for my head. No, we start work, not me you die. You won't die for my neck. Not me and you. I dey go out.
Come back here. You think say because I get one leg. If I handle you, more go inside.
You die. Me and you.
Wait, but come first. I never pay you 25,000 for a short time.
So you tell me something like this?
You should say not like this. Because I get one leg. Me say make I no knock. Let's go inside, please. Let's go inside.
See. Not try me.
You should say make I not try. I not pay you before you come here.
See, respect yourself. Make I respect myself.
Let's go inside, please.
Tell me you open for trouble.
You should say
make I start work, you die.
Oh yeah, refund me.
Refund you waiting.
I pay you now and you don't want to do the work, so give me.
Work? I better not disturb me. You tell me something like
I go shout it for top of your head though.
Thief for top which head?
Thief.
I take your money. I
pay you now. I pay you now. Give me my money. No, give me my money.
Which money? Not people take come here. Now check. I fly.
Give me my money. Come on, your Oba, give me my money.
Your money don't go.
It's not prank. See camera. Not prank. See camera. Nah, prank. Oh yeah, come now, come give me my money. Give me my money now. No, give me my money.
Yeah!
Yes. Come.
What?
Come here now. Are you not Christiana?
Yes, I'm Christiana.
Now, is here you are coming to? Let's go inside.
Inside and do what?
Are you not Christiana?
I'm Christiana, yes.
Are you not here for hookup?
I am here for hookup. Say, boys, I'm coming to mommy.
Yes, now. This is Bells. I'm Bells.
You must be joking.
Come, you sure I must be joking. Have I not paid you? Didn't you receive 50,000 before you come here?
Me and you cannot do anything now. Look at your leg now. You're crippled now. What do you mean by that?
You sure say I'm crippled? Didn't I pay you?
You paid me, but me and you can't do anything.
Let's go inside now.
Go inside and do what? How do you want to perform like this with your leg?
How's that your business? But I've paid you, I've paid you.
You must be joking. You're looking for somebody that will kill you. So that me and you will go inside now. Your two left leg now, you will not die when I'm on top of you. It's not me and you.
Come, Joe. You shouldn't be. I've paid you. You come here. You don't want to. Let's go inside. Let's go and do this thing.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of all this now? I'm not going inside, I beg. Is this a joke or what?
You shouldn't say. I paid you 50,000. Are you not Christiana?
Yes.
Let's go now.
I'm not going anywhere, please.
Come. Where are you going to?
I'm leaving now. Me and you can't do anything. What do you mean? See your legs.
If you can't
you are a crippled man, please.
Okay, give me my 50,000.
Which 50,000? I can't give you any money.
Where did you go? You go crazy?
Why did they touch me like that now?
Wait, I paid you. I paid you.
You paid me?
Oh yeah, let's go inside now.
Me and you cannot go anywhere.
Oh yeah, return my money now.
I'm not returning any money.
Wait, you be thief?
I'm not a thief. What kind of rubbish is that? Why will you call me a thief? Are you mad?
Oh yeah, give me my money.
I'm not giving you any money.
Give me my money.
I'm not giving you any money. You're mad.
Wait now.
That.
Give me my money.
Which money?
Give me my money.
For that rubbish. Stupid idiot.
Wait. Now, see camera there.
They crazy. Oh yeah,
bring my money now.
Come on, idiot.